Welcome back to Pharaoh's Cave, where every week we master a new woodworking joint, one cut at a time. Last week we locked together timber with the Koshikake-ari Tsugi, that after a splash joint with built-in housing and tension, a joint that resists pull and locks clean from every angle. This week we're shifting to something a little bit more understated, but no less important. The Mechigai Tsugi. It's a Japanese stub tenon joint used to join two boards or beams along the same grain, with faces that offset ever so slightly for stability and alignment. The name roughly means mismatched faces. But don't let the name fool you. This joint is all about precision. The stub tenon offers shear resistance and alignment while keeping the joint shallow and easy to cut. You'll see this panel in extension, rail splicing, and even traditional Japanese flooring. While I'm working, notice how little wood actually gets removed and how important the layout is. A shoulder line of by 1/2 millimeter and the whole face will be crooked. There's no housing to save you here, just your saw line and your chisel work. This is a joint that relies on the fit, not friction, and it rewards calm, careful cuts, which I don't have. Simple? Maybe, but forgiving? Not at all. If you've ever had to extend a board and keep the grain flowing, this is the move. These are the tools that we need for today, the beams that we prepared. It's actually the same beam just cut in half, and then we are going to join it together. There's no specific dimensions that I'm going to stick to, so don't worry about dimensions. Small cut, bigger cut, really big cut. Of course, it would be better if the bench is actually not moving like that. Great. Think I need some tea. Okay, I guess this one is finished. This one is ready and turned out really cool. Ooh, nasty. Gonna correct that. it's too tight. We didn't clean up anything, so of course it's tight. Will it fit? Actually, I could. Okay, there's a little bit of. Well, it's not bad actually. Man, this is super tight. This is no joke. No joke. It's like. Oh, did you hear that? Maybe a little bit of sanding will help. I know I said sanding. The Japanese stub tenon joint looks really great. It locks great. It's straight. I mean, for the first time, I feel like I did somehow not bad. Actually, we're getting better and better. I'm getting better and better. I couldn't believe that it's going to be that fast with a little bit of planing the surfaces. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. As always, leave a comment below if you want to see a specific Japanese joint. And yeah, that's it for today. Until the next time. Bye. Now I know why it's underestimated, man. Maybe I made it too tight, but actually, wow. Great time. Yeah. We'll do it for other projects. Oh, yeah, definitely.